In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to design a search bar typing animation in Figma. We'll keep this simple and practical, using Figma's community to find a high quality starting point you can adapt to your own project. Start by opening Figma, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and sign in if you're not already. From the home screen, look for the Community section. This is Figma's built-in library of files shared by designers around the world. It's a great place to explore ready-made components and animations so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Once you're in Community, head to the search bar at the top right. Type in search bar animation. This will pull up a range of projects focused on animated search experiences, including typing effects, expanding inputs, and icon transitions. If you want to narrow things down, you can use filters like file type or editor type, but even a basic search should surface lots of solid options. Browse the results and take a moment to preview a few. Many files include a prototype you can play with, a short description, and sometimes notes on how the animation is set up. Look for designs that match the style and interaction you have in mind. Maybe a subtle typing cursor, a smooth width expansion, or a micro interaction on the search icon. Checking the layers and naming conventions in the preview can also give you a sense of how easy it will be to customize. When you find one you like, click into it to open the file's detail page. Here, you can usually see more screenshots, read any included instructions, and confirm that it's compatible with your version of Figma. If everything looks good, choose Open in Figma. This will either open the file directly or create a copy in your drafts so you can edit it. With the file open in your workspace, you can modify the design or simply copy and paste it into your own project. To customize, adjust colors, fonts, corner radii, and icon styles to match your brand. Open the Prototype tab to review the animation settings. Check the trigger, easing, and duration that power the typing effect and transitions. If the file uses components or variants, keep those intact so everything stays consistent. When copying into your own file, paste it onto a clean frame and relink any interactions if needed. Small tweaks like refining timing or simplifying layers can make the animation feel polished and native to your product. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.